Sponge toffee, also known as honeycomb toffee, is one of my favorite confectionaries. I first fell in love with the sweet caramelized treat when I had a Cadbury Crunchy Bar as a kid. These are readily available in Canada, the UK, Ireland, Australia, New Zealand, South Africa, and a few other countries, but not easily found in the US. In fact, many of my American friends have never even heard of or tried sponge toffee. It's fairly easy to make and only contains sugar, corn syrup, baking soda, and water. You'll also need a pot, whisk, spatula, and cooking thermometer. To make a small batch, mix 120 milliliters of white sugar, 2 tablespoons of water, and 3 tablespoons of white corn syrup. Put the pot on medium-low heat and carefully heat it until it reaches 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit. It's important to take your time so the toffee doesn't get burnt. Once it reaches temperature, quickly mix in 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda and immediately pour the foaming mixture onto a parchment-covered surface like a stone countertop. Let it cool for at least 30 minutes and then smash it into pieces. You can really see the spongy honeycomb texture. Just listen to the crunch when you bite down on this delicious stuff. You can also use a pan lined with parchment paper to form a thicker version with larger bubbles and a lighter texture. For extra flavor, you can also melt some chocolate and dip the pieces in it for a delicious combination that is very reminiscent of the Cadbury Crunchy Bar. It works best if you put the tray of chocolate-dipped pieces in a fridge so they can cool quickly. If you're inclined to experiment, you can substitute 1/3 of the corn syrup with honey. The texture will be a bit more sticky and you can really taste the honey. I also once tried replacing all of the corn syrup with maple syrup, but the resulting texture was quite different, with very fine bubbles and a sand-like texture, but still delicious. That said, my personal favorite is the simplest, using just the white sugar and white corn syrup as the main ingredients. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and will give it a like. Also, please subscribe to my channel. Every new subscriber really helps a lot. Thanks.